Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay with Paysafecard on Eneba. So you might not seeing the option of like Paysafecard or you are facing any kind of problem. So how can you solve this? So as you can see, this is the official website of Eneba. So make sure to open this website and let's say you want to buy any product. Let's say it's Roblox or any other thing like buy a stream gift cards or any game, like any of the thing you want to buy. And after that, what you can do is, as like you can see the Reddit reviews, I don't see Paysafecard method on Eneba, please help. So if you are facing the same issue that you don't find the option of Paysafecard on Eneba, so what you can do is just choose the payment method like credit or debit card. Like you will see a list of all the payment methods available on the Eneba. So choose credit and debit card. And once you choose the credit and debit card option, after that you can add the details of like say Paysafecard and do the payments and buy your stuff. And if you still face the issue, so just go to Google and search here Eneba help. And once you search here Eneba help, you can contact them, and like you can see the contact us page, this is the email of Eneba. So just contact them and ask them that like I want help regarding the payment method of Paysafecard. So they will help you like within 24 to 48 hours and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is an easy process of how you can pay with Paysafecard on Eneba.